I say imagine, and you said, she's nuts. What do you mean I'm supposed to imagine? What are you doing every single day? When you say, girl, if somebody ever talked to me like that, I would respond like this. Oh, they tried me. Oh, they did this, da 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 da. That is imagining. You are rehearsing how you would respond to a negative situation. But what if you rehearsed how you would respond to a positive one? Really and truly, there's no difference between the two because you're just imagining. It is irrelevant what label you put, positive or negative, good or bad. What is overlooked is that you are imagining. That's the point. You're imagining. You're out here running through either the best case scenario or the worst case scenario. So why not learn to harness? Why not learn to harness what and why you imagine?